What's up, YouTube? How's everybody doing today? Hopefully everybody is having an awesome day. I'm back with another vlog for Vlogmas. I don't really know what day it is. I think it is Vlog 3. I'm back with another video today. I'm at home, just, hanging out at home again. I'm actually waiting on, I'm waiting on my new computer. I'm getting a new computer because the one that I currently have is, it needs to be replaced. I had it for a long time, so instead of me going out to the Apple Store, which is in the mall, which I know the mall is heavy crazy right now, very crazy right now, because everybody kind of shop for Christmas and stuff. So instead of going to the mall to pick up my new computer, I'm actually having my computer delivered to my apartment, which I think is awesome. I think it's really cool. Plus they deliver on the same day that you order it, so that's pretty cool. So right now I'm just waiting. Waiting on them to deliver my new computer, and yeah, that's about it. Just hanging out. Where's EJ at? EJ, yeah, I want to say hi to EJ. EJ, hi EJ. Works every time. I promise y'all. My dog is greedy. He's a little dog, but he's greedy. For real. Come here, EJ. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come say hi to the vlog. Really? Really not gonna say hi? They wanna see you. Come here. Come here. Come on. Yo, come on. Right here. Come on. Up. Good boy. Good boy. EJ. Oh, really? Look, say hi. Boy, say hi to the dog. Hey, yeah, I straight be talking to my dog like he excuse me. I straight be talking to my dog like he can really respond back, like, and hear me. And hear me, voices. Say, hey, EJ, why you licking my hand? But yeah, so say we just chilling, just hanging out, waiting on our new computer to arrive. So yeah, that's about it. So I guess what? He at the door. Wait, EJ. Hey, sorry.
Can I explain this real quick?
Yeah.
How you doing?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm good.
There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good one, man.
All right.
I got the door.
Thank you so
Take
much.
it.
Okay. Yeah. I got EJ. I gotta lick you out now. Now you come out. Okay. Okay, so I get it. Now let's open it up and see. And take a look at it. Come in here, you too. Oops. I'm breaking it already. No, but I also needed a new computer. The one that I had before, like I still get it, but it's running like really slow. You didn't go. It was time for a new one. Anyway, so I'm like, okay. I just consider this an early Christmas present. So, let's see. We're going to, I feel like I'm doing a bouquet, kind of like a box over these. Yeah. Now, here's the tricky part. How am I going to get this open? It wasn't that hard. I thought it was going to be a lot harder. Considering I'm just using this hand. By the way, this framer, it's nothing wrong with my hand. Like, it doesn't hurt or anything. But I wear this, just to, keep my wrist. To keep my wrist a little straight from, curling over or something like that. A lot of people, especially in the CP community, wear these too, for the same reason. It doesn't mean that our hand are broke or hurt or anything. We just wear this to keep our wrist a little straighter and from curling. So it's nothing wrong with our wrist. It's not broke. And it doesn't hurt anybody. I don't want anybody out there who might have been wondering, okay, what's wrong with his hand? Why did he have the foot on his hand? It's just to keep my wrist straight. So, let's see. I think they're acting this. Cool. this is light. I thought that it was gonna be like heavy, like it's really light. That's what's up. What's up, Apple? Yeah, like this is really light. Like I wasn't expecting for it to be as light weighted as it is. This is too. Okay. And in case y'all are wondering, I am like an Apple freak. I love Apple stuff. Now that I'm plugging Apple, I'm not because they're not giving me a sponsorship or anything. Anyway, I'm not plugging y'all. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. I love Apple stuff, Apple things. Now, Apple, y'all want to give your boy some sponsorship? Then yeah, we can talk. Call on people. Oh, and then he came right on. That's what's up. Cool. I like it. Yes. So it's going on right now, y'all. Yeah, and I got to set it up and stuff. And while that's doing that, okay. Okay, you're going through the whole setup and everything, so I'll wait to do that. But yeah, so hopefully I can get my videos out on time and more frequently now. One of the big reasons why my videos haven't been on time yet is because of my other computer that I was using before. It was running so slow. And, I can't really, like, I could get work done, but it was just taking too much time to get it done. So I really needed a new computer. So thankful, blessed, and everything that I was able to get one. Yeah, so. Oh no, like I said earlier, yeah, so I'm just chilling. EJ then went in the room. EJ then went in the room, went back to sleep or whatever. I guess he didn't really feel like being a part of this vlog right here, so. And but yeah, so I'm just chilling. I get, some, what did I get the cat? The videos, I'm sorry. I got a lot going on, yeah. Yeah, so with the new computer, hopefully I'll be able to get more videos out in a good uh, timely manner, I guess. So, yeah. Again, I guess y'all is kind of short, but yeah. Although, yeah, I'm gonna try to upload as much as I can throughout this month, December, or at least from now until Christmas or whatever. So, yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. Like this video, and I'm going to give it a wrap it for now. But as always, remember, no matter what challenges you may face in life, it doesn't have to be your downfall. So think positive, be inspired, and always stay motivated to live a best risk by going beyond your disability to reach all of your abilities. Thank y'all again for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!